A lot of us know that one of the trickiest things to do when using a new tool or software is to get your team on board with it. Well, we can make this a lot easier for you. To get started, just head on over to Settings and Manage Users. Click here to add a user and to set permissions for them. You can learn more about permissions in the link in this video. Now, once you've added a user, your user will receive an email invitation. Meanwhile, if you'd like, you can import or add contacts, deals, or assign activities to your users in advance. Now let me explain a little why your team is going to love working together in Pipedrive. Everyone can work together in one pipeline, but like I said, deals, activities, and contacts can be assigned to individual users. Using personal filters in the pipeline allows you to quickly see what each individual user is working on, and the Everyone filter shows you all active deals in your pipeline. You can also set up visibility to hide deals and contacts, or you can allow your whole team to work together on them, whether this be adding notes for each other or planning activities for a colleague. You can also set up goals or forecast your revenue and check statistics based on the individual user, your entire company, or if you're a professional or enterprise plan user, based on the different teams of users that you've set up. So by now, you're probably pretty eager to start collaborating. So start adding your users today. We've got dozens of tutorials, guides, and acclaimed support to make sure that you hit the ground running.